order to complete our thread, I want to define here the fruits list. In place of a list, I want to define it as a set. So I place it in curly brackets, and you see that if I run the code, it's no more printed in an ordered way, but it's printed in an unordered way. So for example, the first time, if the fruits was a list, the first time I see red apple, but this time the fruits is a set, so it's not ordered, so I see red banana, red cherry, red apple, so in a random way. So here, same history. The second element is respected because this is a list. So this second element is respected, and I see here big banana, big cherry, big apple, and then the third also is respected, but the second string, the second word, is not respected. For example, try to make the reverse. I define fruits as a list, but I define this other one as a set. Okay, what you see is that the first is no more red, but is tasty, although this is the last element of the set, and the second is red, and the third is big. Instead, if I come back to define the two variables as a list, you see that now the order is again respected. So red apple, red banana, red cherry. Second time, second iteration, big apple, big banana, big cherry. Third iteration, tasty apple, tasty banana, tasty cherry. Okay, so next time we will continue with other topics. Thank you.